Unlock the full potential of your PostgreSQL database with JSONB operators. According to a survey by Timescale, 75% of PostgreSQL users rely on JSONB for efficient data querying. Are you tired of cumbersome data querying and manipulation? PostgreSQL's JSONB data type allows you to store and query JSON data efficiently. With JSONB operators, you can filter, update, and aggregate JSON data with ease. The NASH operator accesses JSON object fields, while the operator checks if a JSON object contains another. You can also use the pound operator to access nested JSON fields. By mastering JSONB operators, you'll be able to write more efficient and scalable queries. Take your PostgreSQL skills to the next level and simplify your data workflows. Want to dive deeper into PostgreSQL and other database topics? Drop a comment below with your thoughts.